na pong bahala. Kaya na po kayo.
Okay.
Kainan na!
Yay! Kain na! Kumain na to! Yay!
Kung nandito lang sana si Grace, masaya sana ang birthday ni Tatay June.
Oo nga eh. Mama, sino po si Grace? Sige na, kain ka na naman.
Feeling so low and tears overflow when there's nothing you hear and things are wrong when you can't seem to stand and no one's around and when it looks like everyone is gone. Kneel down and pray, 'cause he's always there. He knows your heart, don't go astray. So kneel down and pray, 'cause he always cares. Never lose hope, he'll show you the way. Just kneel down and pray. So just kneel down and pray. When you're feeling so tired, with fears you can't hide, when strength becomes scarce and weaknesses abound, when there's no place to go, and when it doesn't seem to blow beyond the clouds, there's something you should know. Kneel down and pray, 'cause he's always there. He knows your heart, don't go astray. So kneel down and pray, 'cause he always cares. Never this hope, he'll show you the way. Just kneel down and pray when no one else can understand. When all the smiles turn into frown, when the right words to say cannot be found, and when your world is crashing
Basta wag ka lang makalimot laging humingi ng tulong sa Diyos.